Action.
Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you the Nerf Barrel Break IX2. It is the shotgun, small shotgun, and this is the double barrel. This is the ammo. This is the ammo storage. Yeah. As you can put it in other Nerf stocks. Other Nerf blasters.
Metal.
Yeah.
Like in there. Oh, that is Brandon hair. Beautiful. Very many. And that is mine hair.
The Barrel Break IX2. Now, I'm gonna show you how to reload it. How to reload it is you have to pull this until it snaps out. Like that.
May I see it?
Put it like this. Snaps it. Reload it. This is the two somethings. Yeah, two. Put it in. Make sure reload it with like this. Don't like this. It will be broken and will not shoot.
I think the kindergartens. Okay, continue it.
Snaps it out like that, and I'm gonna show you how to shoot it.
But don't shoot it to me.
Yeah. If you shoot it, if you want both of the darts to come out.
Brand, just shoot there, Brand. I already go.
No, don't.
Okay.
It take long. Like this, pull it all over it.
Fantastic.
Yeah, right. And if you want only one dart to be shot, just make sure it is half of it.
Don't use your thingy mine to reload it.
See this? That's one dart. That's two darts. Now, I'm gonna show you how to
My barrel break gonna broken if you roll it like that.
Yeah, sorry.
Don't use your.
Yeah, sorry. Now I'm gonna shoot it. Come on, Martin.
Okay. I'm with you, Brandon.
No,
First look.
This is the gun. I'm gonna shoot it. 1, 2, 3. Yep.
Fantastico, El Clasico.
It hits the wall. Yeah. I think I'm gonna repeat it again.
Then I'm gonna.
I better take it first. What is the second dart?
I think there's no machine there. But
Yeah, never mind.
maybe go here.
Yeah,
never mind. Just continue the video. It's gonna take long to find the
Darts. The hidden darts. I don't know.
corner.
If that is two darts, put it as shown. This is how to reload it. Snaps it out. If only one, see? Yeah, that is two again. Yeah, never mind. I think that is all. And I'm gonna take it first.
Yes, the two darts.
This is 1, this is 2, and that is 3. So, it means I already found it. Yeah, good news. Now,
Wow, your collection, isn't it?
I think that's all for the Barrel Break IX2. Yeah, I think that's all for my
Suggestion.
or for my watchers to watch it. Well, I
Thank-
think that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye. I'm Martin, the cameraman.